Under the bridge, waders on. I dip a plastic container into the creek. How did I end up here? This flowing body of water, Kine Creek, is like many other urban creeks I have worked and played in. Cars rush past overhead, but as loud as the sounds are above, the flow of water dominates. Water has been an endless source of inspiration and amazement for me, just waiting to be explored. Downstream, the creek rages with the rise of a heavy spring rainstorm. Ash trees and reed canary grass hug the banks. Keith is on the search for garlic mustard, a rare invasive species in Yamhill County. I grew up playing in small urban creeks, catching crawdads, racing sticks, and skipping stones. By age 10, I was thrust into whitewater rafting down the wild and scenic Rogue River. I was forever humbled by the force of the water. As I continued to grow, I always sought out work and play opportunities surrounded by water. Whether it was salmon spawning surveys, water quality sampling, or planting native trees along riparian areas, I developed an appreciation for water. I learned that no two streams are alike. So what is it about a river or a creek that makes a watershed healthy or not? First, the structure of a river depends on what is beneath our feet, the existing geology and soil types. Second is what comes from up above. Our climate can dictate how quickly these systems change through thousands of years of rainfall, wind, freeze and thaw that have shaped the banks of this creek. And third, our built environment. The timberlands, farmlands, urban areas, and road systems are one thing that we can control. What's in this glass of water, and why does it matter? It will be sent to the Department of Environmental Quality lab and analyzed for pesticides. With this knowledge, and partnering with the Oregon Department of Agriculture, I hope to be able to educate the community on what's in their watershed and make positive change over time. Pesticides are but one part of the story I'm interested in exploring. The more I get to know my local watershed, the better I get to know myself. And I guess that's why I'm here and I keep coming back. It's hard to beat this office environment. While this isn't the most beautiful creek I have ever seen, or the best weather to be enjoying the outdoors, I feel content, at home, connected to something larger than myself.